Hello friends, welcome to today's video about how to get a file extension in PHP. We are using pathinfo function and SPL file info constructor with get extension function. So first let's talk about the pathinfo function. The built-in function pathinfo has two parameters. The first file name which is required and the another parameter is optional, which could be pathinfo file name in capital, pathinfo dir name, pathinfo base name and pathinfo extension. As shown, first pass the file name and then the element from the file we need. Okay, first I need to start the local server environment, so let's start from the terminal. After starting the server, let's check the pathinfo function. As you see, all parameters are working correctly. To get the file name, use $_files input name and pass the array key, which is name. Now we are using the second method, SPL file info constructor. So first declare a variable name, use a new keyword to create an object and call SPL file info constructor and also pass file name in a constructor. After this, call function using object variable. As you see on the screen, it will display the file extension. That's it guys. Thank you for watching the video. Please do like, comment and share a video to motivate us to create a new awesome video. Thank you guys and bye bye. Take care.